first things that we're trying to offer people is our maintenance program. What we really want to do is educate people that that product, much like a human body, much like a car tire, needs a little love, and it needs someone to help it and come along and document what it may or may not need to get its full life. What we have to do during that program is we need to inspect just about everything that makes that system work. How is the brick holding up? How is the cap metal holding up? What about our termination bar, our penetrations, all the different HVAC systems up there, the membrane itself. We're going to be checking for moisture leaks. We'll use a moisture gun to see what's happening, if we have any moisture. We're going to do thermal imaging to see if we're losing heat in an area. You're going to get an inspection report with photo documentation of every one of those points that we're looking at. If your roof is going to cost you $400,000, and by not maintaining it, you cut 5 years off of it. If I can get you those 5 years back, I just saved you $200,000 over 5 years. So what, I saved you $40,000 a year by maintaining that roof and giving it the love that it needs. So the real question is why is anyone not maintaining their roof? A lot of our restaurants, we see the simple fact that people think that's their trash can and they throw everything up there and it cuts through the roof. But there are a lot of other things that can happen to a roof. We just need to help people understand that there are some serious dangers not maintaining a roof system that are just unknown. And if they know that, I don't think most people would choose not to do it. So again, we're just doing our best to help people understand the dangers of not using a maintenance program.